guys, so in today's video I will be showing my hair and how I make it look healthier than it actually is. But first, before I start, if you're not subscribed to me yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I am starting to post more and I'm going to be posting more regularly, and I do have some exciting content that's going to be coming up on my channel very soon. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and you also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram because I post more there than I do on YouTube, of course. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how I got my hair this way. My hair looks so like healthy and like nothing is wrong with it, right? No, my hair is so damaged and so bad, and you're gonna see in this next clip that it's not pretty. Hair is very damaged. My ends are pretty much straight. My curls are pretty much gone. And before I got this hair color to look this way and this healthy, I had a lot of ashy brown parts of my hair, or like sun lightened parts in my hair that I feel like just didn't contribute to the looking healthy of my hair. I feel like sometimes when you have lighter hair, your hair it's easier to tell that your hair is damaged than when you have darker hair or richer hair color. So today I show you how I take that ashy brown looking damaged hair and I turn it into this rich brown color that looks very healthy. I also trimmed my hair and straightened it. If you guys want to see probably how I trim my hair, maybe I'll do that in the next video. But this video I didn't want to do it because I was really playing with fire. I've never trimmed my hair before, so I didn't really want to tell you guys, hey, trim your hair this way, and then we've all seen a Brad Mondo video. Let's just get into it. Let me show you how I got this hair. And since I straightened my hair has a crazy amount of damage, which is why my hair looks so straight and it is natural. But it is just so lifeless and just so like, I just am so bored with it that I want to do something to it before I big chop. Like, I have little to not the best experience coloring my own hair, but we're gonna try because like, why not? Should I start this high? I'm gonna start from like here, and I'm just gonna like take out the perimeter. Now that I have my hair kind of sectioned, I'm gonna start mixing my product because as soon as the products are mixed, you're supposed to like apply them straight to your hair. So let's go. So what I'm doing to create this balayage effect or this highlight effect is L'Oreal Techniques High Color Blondes for dark hair only, and this is in the shade Golden Ginger. Now I'm hoping this will lift my hair but still keep it that golden color because once again I don't want it to be too light. I'm using the Clairol Professionals 20 volume developer again because I don't want to damage my hair even more than it's already damaged, and I don't want to lift my hair too high. I'm like holding the bowl away from my face so I don't like inhale these fumes. Go to the next section, skip about an inch. this is a fail already, just because these are the hairs that I did first and they have not lifted at all, probably like one level. So I'm gonna go wash this out and then round two. You can kind of see it did kind of highlight my hair. Like this piece is kind of lighter than the rest of my hair. It did kind of give me some highlights, so that's great, but it just didn't highlight the way I wanted it to. But as you can see, my hair is damaged. Like I said, it's like extremely damaged. I have little to no curl pattern left. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm probably gonna let it air dry and then go in with this, and hopefully this does something. I'm like unbelievably annoyed. I wasn't filming that whole time. So I already applied color to my hair, and the color that I'm using is the Kiss Color Semi-Permanent Tintation dye, and it is in the shade Cinnamon. It's a very warm base, red based hair dye, and I'm not looking to get like this exact color. I'm just looking to get the tint of my hair to be a bit more reddish instead of ashy. Okay, so I put all the color in my hair, and this is how it looks. It really sucks that you guys can't see how this looks in person because it just looks dark brown or like black, but it's really not. In person, it's like a red hue, that red hue that I wanted. I'll try to get a few pictures tomorrow because it's nighttime. I'll try to get a few pictures tomorrow in the sunlight. I'm just going to wait for this to sit in my hair for 30 minutes and then rinse it out and then blow dry and straighten my hair. And I'll be back with the results tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's actually 2 days later, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the final result. I am in love with my hair. I feel like it just looks better and it just suits my skin tone more, this lighting. But I also cut my ends, and so my hair is really short, but I'd rather it be healthy and short than long and damaged. I just blow dried and straightened it, and I straighten my hair on, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I straighten my hair on like 400 degrees. I use a heat protectant. The heat protectant right now I'm not going to put in this video because the heat protectant that I'm using personally doesn't heat protect my hair when I have curly hair. Like my curls are gone, as you guys saw in the photo, but I will show the other products that I use in my hair that I feel like make a big difference to my hair. This Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner, this is an OG. I used to use this when I bought this one time when I had a weave, and it used to like moisturize my weave really nice. But then I started using it on my real hair. It smells so good, and it's the only smell that I can tolerate right now. This is a conditioner and leaves your hair so soft. It doesn't weigh down your hair, but it moisturizes your hair really nicely. Like I said, this is my hair like 3 days later. Also by the same brand, Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. This is their extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. An extra powerful blend infused with argan oil of Morocco helps to revive, smooth, and restore luster to damaged, dry, and coarse hair. As you guys can see, my hair is very damaged from this video. I kind of didn't want to do this video because I know a lot of people follow me because of my hair journey or my natural hair videos, and as you can see, my hair is damaged, but I'm just trying to make the best out of the worst situation. I just don't want to big chop right now, so I'm deciding to keep wearing my hair straight until I want to begin the transitioning process or big chop my hair. But this oil has really been helping. It smells so good as well. Your hair will smell so good, and it adds really nice shine and moisture to your hair, so your hair looks really healthy. But it doesn't weigh your hair down or like make your ends really stiff or anything. I just wanted to share how I got this look with my hair, just in case anyone else wants it. I know there's a lot of black girls that naturally have ashy light brown hair, or like your hair grows in and the sun makes it like a really weird shade that you're not really down for. So maybe this can help someone try to color their hair to a better looking color without damaging it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.